Klaviyo was the only CRM built for B2C. Wait, a CRM built for B2C? Yes, finally one platform for combining marketing, service, and analytics for real-time personalization, smarter decisions, seamless growth. Let's jump in. All right, everyone. So finally a B2C CRM. Now I know what you're going to say. There's tons of CRMs out there, right? Yes, go high level. There's HubSpot. There's all of these, but they all focus on B2B, business to business. What about a business to customer? A few out there, but Klaviyo actually does that. So unlike traditional CRMs that are built for sales and mostly B2B, which you can find a million out there, there's really only one that stands out for B2C. And that's Klaviyo, designed for marketers to work with brands and to also foster relationship with individuals. As we can see here, it's working directly with the customer. And not only that, it gives you everything you need for that. So if you need marketing, if you need analytics, if you need customer service, everything is in one place. So instead of trying to connect my MailChimp, trying to connect my WordPress, trying to connect a million different things, SMS, mobile, social, all of that, WhatsApp, you can do this all in one platform. All their interactions are driven by real-time data and insights, so you can actually see what's going on with the customer, have real touch points. That's how they stand out. The single point solution like MailChimp, all these SMS, things like that. Legacy platforms like Salesforce, they're meant for business to business, which is fine. We need something to interact with our customers. We want speed, efficiency, simplicity, all in one place. Now, this is actually quite easy to use. A lot of people can just log in, then get started. You can also see that they have a demo here, and the platform offers everything that you need. So it's what we call a deep ecosystem. This has rich data, 350 integrations, and it gets smarter every day. And as this gets smarter, guess what? So do you. Email, SMS, RCS, mobile, all in one place, WhatsApp. So you don't have to have a million different things to message someone, just one place. And flexibility, you can add your tech stack here if you so choose. Even legacy platforms, customized forms, flows, templates, data object, whatever it is that you want to do, and a robust library of resources, plus their help center and their academy to teach you. That's how this stands out as one of the best B2C CRM. Not going to see very many like it on the internet. That's because you can see here specifically geared for customers and for brands, to make them feel at home and to make sure that you have all the data and the touch points to interact with them. You can see all the information here about the pricing as well as how to sign up, get a demo. So guys, if your business is B2C and you don't have a CRM, you need to keep track of everything, Klaviyo is the place to go. Let me know what you think down below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you know when I post more videos. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.